Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I am your host Nitin and I am back again with another fantastic recipe. It's been a while we have not done a seafood recipe on the channel. There was a good reason for it. If you know, this is a monsoon season going on in west of India and the fishermen folks don't go out for fishing. So after Narli Purnima or the festival of Rakhi, they start going back to the fishing. So now we have started getting fresh catch in all the markets. So today I have got some nice silver pomfret, the baby silver pomfrets, and we are going to make a delicious Patrani Macchi out of it. But before I tell you about the recipe and about the entire thing, make sure if you are new to the channel, press that red button to subscribe to the channel and grow this foodie community. Press the thumb icon to like our recipes and press the bell icon so you get an instant notification wherever we upload fantastic videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out the entire channel. We got some travel videos, some restaurant reviews, we got hotel reviews, and there are classic recipes, international recipes, curries, kebab, and lot more. So let us cook some Patrani Macchi. It is the favorite of Parsis, and Parsi cuisine has some wonderful dishes. So as you know, Parsis came from Iran and they made India their home, and they have a lot of contribution to in general to economy, by the way, it's Tatas or Shapurjis or a lot of the Parsi industrialists. But Parsi food is also one of the great things, and if you haven't attended a Parsi wedding yet, it's one of the best meals you will ever have. And Patrani Macchi is an integral part of any Parsi wedding feast. Basically, it's a silver pomfret which is wrapped in banana leaf with some chutney made out of coriander and fresh coconut and spices, and then it is steamed. So we are going to do just that. So let's see what all we need for Patrani Macchi. So as I told you, we got some silver pomfret for the Patrani Macchi. We have given it nice gashes and we have cleaned his guts. So these are 3 small silver pomfrets. For now we will keep them aside and let us make the chutney or the marination for Patrani Macchi. So we got our blender in place. First what we will add is around 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, a very small piece of ginger, this would be hardly half inch ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies. Then we will add a half a teaspoon of sugar, that gives a nice taste in a chutney, a teaspoon of a jeera or cumin, some salt for taste. Now this is 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, so we will add that. And these are some mint leaves, around 10-15 of them for the freshness. And this is around a handful of fresh coriander which we have chopped. So what we need to make is a thick chutney out of this by adding little bit of water. And there is one more ingredient. As I always tell you, for any fish recipe you need something which is sour. So here we are using half a lemon. So we'll use a juice of half a lemon. So let us make a thick chutney out of this. So our coriander chili, that chutney is ready, and look, this has to be this consistency, nice and thick and creamy. So we will keep this aside and let's prep the banana leaves for the Patrani Macchi. So these are our banana leaves. Now we cannot use this stem area of it. What we need to use is the green area for making the pockets or the covering of the fish. So what we are going to do with the scissor, we are going to cut along the stem. Let us repeat it for this side only. So just we'll finish this for all 3 leaves like this. So once you cut the banana leaves, you will see they have some dust on them. So you need to give them a wash and then pat them dry. Now the clean banana leaves, just pat dry them with a clean duster on both the sides. Do it for all the leaves. So at this stage the banana leaves can tear off like this. To prevent this, you need to heat them on a flame very lightly, so that makes it pliable and easily usable. So we will just heat them quickly on a flame. So on a medium flame, just quickly heat the banana leaves. The color will start to change quickly and they will become more pliable. You don't have to burn them, but heat them through. So we'll repeat this for all the leaves. Now it's time to make the pockets of Patrani Macchi. So we have laid our banana leaf. Put a spoonful of the marination or the chutney. Keep your fish on top of it. Take a little bit of chutney and place inside the fish as well. And smear a good amount generously on top of the fish as well. Now it's time to close the fish. So you can just fold the banana leaf like this from both the sides. And do a tight wrap like this. So that is a nicely wrapped fish. Now I am using regular idli steamer, so I will be placing it on idli steamer like this. Now let us wrap the next one. So idli steamer is ready and let us put the fish inside that. So the one goes on this layer and the another one goes on top. Let us cover it and steam it for around 10 to 12 minutes till the fish is cooked. So Patrani Macchi has been cooking for around 10 to 12 minutes. Let us open the steamer and check. Wow, that looks delicious. Now let us remove it on plate very carefully. So that is delicious Patrani Macchi. It is cooked perfectly. So let us open the banana leaf to check how is it and we can taste it. Whoa, look at that. Amazing. So the Patrani Macchi looks absolutely stunning. It is nicely steamed and let us taste it. Look at that soft flesh and the chutney. So let us taste and see. Fantastic! Such a refreshing recipe. That creamy fish and the fresh coconut and coriander makes it an absolute divine combination. You must try this recipe and it's extremely healthy as well. If you like the recipe, make sure you press the thumb icon. If you are new to the channel, press that red button to subscribe and grow this foodie community. Press the bell icon so whenever we do fantastic recipes like this, you get an instant notification. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.